What is POE, POC, and POH, and why should you care? If you're looking for a smarter, more efficient way to power your AV devices while transmitting data over a single cable, this is the video for you. Let's break down how Power over Ethernet and its variations can simplify your setup. Power over Ethernet, or PoE, is a technology that allows both data and electrical power to be transmitted through a single Ethernet cable. This eliminates the need for separate power adapters and makes installations much cleaner and more efficient. For example, security cameras, wireless access points, and even VoIP phones often use PoE to simplify their connections. Now let's talk about POH, Power over HDBaseT. POH is based on the PoE standard, but is specifically designed for AV equipment using HDBaseT technology. It can transmit power along with 4K video, audio, and control signals over a single Ethernet cable for up to 328 feet. This makes POH perfect for AV installations like projectors, displays, and digital signage setups. And then there's Power over Cable, POC. Similar to PoE and POH, POC is a proprietary technology used mainly for HDMI extenders and AV distribution. Since it's not standardized, manufacturers can adjust the voltage to match their specific product requirements. Now, why does this matter? Here are some key benefits of PoE and its variations. Saves time and money. No need for additional power outlets or hiring electricians. Just plug in the Ethernet cable and you're good to go. Flexible installations. Devices can be placed where they are needed most without worrying about power sources. Safe and reliable. PoE uses low voltage DC power and has built-in protection features to prevent overloads or short circuits. Scalable. Easily expand your network without the hassle of running new power lines. Now let's look at some real-world applications with these powerful AV devices. First up, we have this 1080p HDMI H.264 encoder for AV over IP. It's a perfect example of how PoE can power AV over IP systems, eliminating extra power cords and simplifying your setup. Next, check out this 4K HDBaseT HDMI extender. Thanks to POH, it sends both ultra-high definition video and power up to 394 feet using just one Ethernet cable. Perfect for home theaters, conference rooms, and more. And finally, we have this digital audio extender. With POC, it delivers high-quality digital audio over Ethernet up to 900 feet, ideal for professional AV installations. So whether you're working with PoE, POH, or POC, these technologies make AV installations easier, more reliable, and more efficient.